Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this is the Garvee Portable Rechargeable Cordless Pool Cleaner. This is an amazing new device that is so lightweight, yet so powerful. This Garvee Pool Cleaner is so easy to use. Let me show you. I got creative with what I was going to use for this demonstration. Here we have today a recipe of disaster. I've got a lot of dirt from the garden, and I have confetti. Well, it's actually not confetti. This is actually rocks, like you would use at the bottom of an aquarium. They're super heavy. And check out the garden dirt. This is the stuff that's found all around pools and in yards. Wow, look at that. This will be a fun demonstration to see our Garvee pool cleaner pick all this up. Let's start with the garden mess. I'm gonna go in a little angle here so it just covers the bottom of that pool. Look at that. That is like a nuclear disaster is going off in your pool. Down, down, down it goes, all the way to the bottom. Normally pools don't get this dirty, but I'm excited to show you the powerful suction for deep cleaning with this Garvee pool cleaner. Mess 1, check. Mess 2 is the fun of the party. It's like confetti. Let's spread the confetti down there next. Look at all those pretty colors. Now, these are heavy aquarium rocks. It's going to be like sprinkles on top of cupcakes, on top of the brown dirt mess below. I wish life's messes were as pretty as all those aquarium rocks, but they're just not. But for today, they are. I love making a mess. What I don't like is cleaning a mess. Look at that hit the bottom of the pool. There is an intersection where it mixed. We got the dirt, we got the confetti aquarium rocks, and those were heavy. All of that sediment is a tough mess to handle. With my Garvee pool cleaner, we're gonna get that up. And it's so easy to operate. It's just a simple on. This black rubber thing is to keep it waterproof for where the electrical charger will go. These are the buttons to operate it. It's so easy, green means go. On. In it goes. As you put your Garvee pool cleaner in the pool, it's gonna be important to make contact with the suction power. It took me a second, but then I did. You need to place it firmly on your pool floor where all that dirt and dust and rocks are. And what you do is you glide it across, which is what I'm doing. I'm giving you some close-up shots here so you can see the process. This extraordinary mess is certainly something most pool owners don't have to deal with. I'm exaggerating the mess today because I want you to see the powerful and rapid removal of this dirt. The Garvee pool cleaner has powerful suction for deep cleaning. They engineered it to include a high-performance 40-watt motor. Now that motor will deliver up to 18.5 gallons per minute GPM suction. So for a rapid pool clean of a specific area, taking your Garvee pool cleaner in your own hands to go after spot cleaning is the way to go. Now you see that I have pebbles and rocks here, as well as sand, which is heavy, and dirt. It's ideal with that cordless design to clean this up. Now that battery inside has a 60-minute runtime. That's a long time, more than I think most people would ever spend vacuuming their pool, but you could if you wanted to. The battery inside is 2000 megahertz, and it's rechargeable. No cords, no hassle. You can clean your pool where you want it, freely and efficiently, like I'm doing here with this disaster of a mess. Inside, as it cleans this volume of mess, there is a large 1.3 liter dirt and debris capacity inside. So you don't have to be changing the filter all the time. You can keep going with your cleaning like I'm doing here. I'll show you what I get out later in this video. Look at these pebbles. You direct it easy. No effort at all. You just get it down to the bottom of your pool to clean your messes. It will suck the bottom of the pool to pick up what's there. The wide head is able to pick up a large swath of a path of dirt. They've designed this adjustable telescopic pole. It can be 36 inches, which is 3 feet, all the way up to 95 inches long. And I love how long the pole is, fully extended, but it's adjustable. You can make it longer or shorter just by moving the center pieces in it. This is great for storage. This extendable pole is great to reach deep or wide areas comfortably in your pool. It's ideal for above ground and in-ground pools without bending or straining because of the design of this pole. To change it out for the smaller pool, you just press in the sides, pull it off, and you can place a short handle on it just by holding in the sides. It clicks right in. And this is a great height when you want to do a lot of detail work on your steps. Jacuzzis are the highlight of teen parties. So let's make a mess with the confetti, just for the fun of it. Down goes that confetti, down to the step on that jacuzzi. That's going to be our target with our Garvee pool cleaner. So light and easy to use. I like to just jump into my jacuzzi with it. Woo! And use it as I'm splashing around. It's going to clean this mess up in a jiffy. Now let's work on this smaller jacuzzi for my next demonstration. And with that small little handle, it's just like vacuuming a room at your home. It's so easy. So I'm just showing you how I'm cleaning that step. You push it forward. Sometimes I'll go back and forth a little bit to get everything. Simple and easy to use. As I'm washing it, it's like a head of a shark. Do-do-do-do-do-do. On a mission. And today's mission is cleaning up a mess. And when you're done, you just pull it out, turn it off, and let the water drain. Awesome, ready for the dip. The Garvee pool cleaner is great for any part of your pool to quickly clean up messes. And the design is beautiful too. Attractive with great utility value with that super powerful suction and a high performance to clean your pool fast so it's beautiful and crystal clean. After you use it, you're going to want to clean it out, especially for a mess this big. So I put a paper plate down on my grass. You can put everything in your garden, but I had those aquarium rocks, so I was careful. There's a lever at the top that comes down, and below that, I'm going to pull up a tab to clean out the filter. Look what's inside of that filter. It would have held 1 1/3 liters of dirt and grime. I probably went through only half a liter with all the stuff I got out of my pool, but you get the idea. It has a high capacity for easy cleanup. I'm shaking everything out, and you can see all that dirt and all those aquarium rocks that I picked up. That is proof in the pudding. Can you believe that? That was a lot of quantity that my Garvee pool cleaner vacuumed up. It deserves to have a bath. You use a garden hose and you just spray it down, all the parts. Of course, everything is waterproof, and a few seconds is all it takes for the cleanup. You don't even have to do this every time. I just did because it got a big workout with me. It has a double mesh filter. You can decide if you want the thick or the thin one. I'll show you that in the unboxing, depending on the type of mesh you have. Then I clean out the interior of it, and look at how clean that filter is now. Just like new, ready to go for next time. What comes out must come in the same way. Press it in and flip the handle with the tab over to reassemble it. That's all it takes. When you order your Garvee pool cleaner, it'll come right to your door. There's mine at my door in that box. I put the box on my kitchen floor. I opened it up, and I wanted you to see how it comes packaged. Everything is wrapped well, so nothing is going to get damaged during shipping. I took everything out of the box. After I had everything out of the box, I unwrapped it all and laid it out on my kitchen counter so you see all that you get. We have the pool cleaner manual on the left, an informational card with a scan code for more information. Above that, we have the filter on the left. We have the suction head. The centerpiece is a suction head. They call it the dirt sucker. On the right, we have the short handle for things like steps. Behind that, we have the long handle. That's a telescopic handle. And then we have the main pump casing. The motor is in that main body part there. And on the right, that's the electrical charging cord. And let me show you some detail on the owner's manual. I'm going to flip through it so you can see it's very simple. It's easy to operate. Everything inside is clearly illustrated with simple directions. And they give you a handy dandy warranty card. Talks about your protection. And if you want to extend your warranty, you can with that scan code. Let me show you how to assemble it. It's well illustrated, and I'll show you the details in the video right now. The dirt sucker head goes right onto the main body. You just click it in. There it is. There it's flexible. You see how it can move up and down walls and curves within your pool. Now we're going to get to putting the handle on. It snaps in as easy as that. You line up the plastic knobs that will fit within the handle and it clicks in easy. I'm just putting it on my kitchen floor so you can see how flexible the head is and what it looks like with just a small handle on it, and the larger handle is next to it. And I showed you how that went on by the pool side. You get those parts with it all set to go. Very few parts. The assembly was a piece of cake. Now let me show you close-ups on how you charge it. Right on the top, is that red button, and below is the charging port. I'm taking that off. That's waterproof. So when you're charging it, you're going to have it dry and you'll put in your plug right in there. And the other end of the plug is a 2-prong normal USA North American household outlet prong to go into your wall of 120 volts, made for USA households. Garvee has doubled the charging speed. It only takes 1.5 hours to fully charge it, so it'll run 60 minutes at a time. Other brands will take much longer to charge. I was so thrilled I cleaned up my pool so fast, thanks to the Garvee pool cleaner. I was proud of my work that day, which was very light work. And like a ballerina, I did a pirouette around it. It energized me that I could clean my pool myself, my Garvee pool cleaner. I'm just amazed with my Garvee pool cleaner. Wow, how amazing that was to clean up that big mess in record time. Click the link below in the description box to get yours. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is one for a very clean pool with your Garvee pool cleaner. Now it's time to call the kids. Hey kids, it's pool time. Last one in is a rotten flamingo.